Good morning children. Hope everyone are doing well. Today we will discuss about 6th class biology, 20th dated. Our topic, what do animals eat? In this assignment we have 6 questions. Discuss one by one. First question, what process animals follow to eat the food? Every animal has its own style to take the food. They track down the food, collect the food, grab the food and hunt and use various tools finally to take the food into the mouth. We collect, grab, hunt, drag the food and use various tools and finally take the food into the mouth. Next question. Which animals have similar parts in taking food? Which animals have similar parts in taking the food? Lion and tiger. Lion and tiger are the animals which have similar parts in taking the food. They use claws to get the food, sharp teeth chew and cut the food. So these are the two animals which have similar parts, tiger and lion. Next question. What are the similarities and dissimilarities you'd find in vulture and lion in mode of taking food? So what are the similarities and dissimilarities found in vulture and lion in mode of taking food? Vulture have long hooked beak to take the food. Lion has sharp teeth and claws to take the food. Vulture, long hooked beak, lion, sharp teeth, claws and tongue. Vulture use long hooked beak to take the food and lion sharp teeth, claws and tongue. Next question. How do bats find their food at night? How do bats find their food at night? Bats depend more on hearing. So this is known as echolocation. Echolocation means locating things by their echoes. Bats depend more on hearing. This is known as echolocation. Means locating things on echoes. Bats depend more on hearing. This process is known as echolocation, locating things by their echoes. So next question, identify the diagram. Identify the diagram. How does it capture food? It capture food. So identify the diagram. This diagram is pond skater. So this is an insect. Pond skater is an insect. It feeds on other insect. How does it capture the food? It detects the ripples produced in the water by another insect on the surface of water. They compare the ripples to the opposite pond caused by the legs of the insect struggling to move out. Calculate the distance and set out to grab it. So the picture is the insect known as pond skater. It feeds on other insect. It detects ripples in water by other insect trapped on surface of water. By other insect trapped on surface of water. They compare the ripples on opposite side of the pond caused by the legs of insect struggling to move out. To move out. Now calculate the distance, set out to grab it. Calculate the distance and set out to grab it. Next question, fill the following table. In this, body part used to collect the food example. Beak, the body part, first one, beak, example, hens and crane. Tongue, next one, the body part is tongue, example, snake, lizard, frog. Next body part, teeth, cow, goat, donkey. Next body part, sucker, example, butterfly, mosquito, leech. Strong legs and claws. Next body part, strong legs and claws. Lion, tiger, cheetah are the examples. Lion, tiger, cheetah are the examples. So these are the animals, body parts, how they will collect the food and examples. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.